So guys, hi. So as of now, what I heard about Polybeta, it's on around 3,500 feet. तो दिखा दो एक बार, ये उसका एंट्रेंस है. 60, 40 कितना 40 डिग्री स्टीप टर्न्स रहेंगे.
That guy inside was not wearing a mask.
तो मुझे क्या सिखा रहा है छोटे.
That's where the entrance comes in from here.
क्या entrance है?
Ginger something.
I can't find my folks by the way, but I'll eventually find them later. Room 702. Focus, yeah, 702. 3-seater balcony. मुझे आप जिंदगी में कुछ और चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, बट सिर्फ बारिश करा दो.
How was your office today? I'll not ask how was Coorg Cliff, by the way. How was your office today?
It's a very cozy bed, no, by the way.
Yeah, it's very soft.
So if I say
दब जाता है पूरा.
view point इसलिए because you know the views from there काफ़ी अच्छा है. Ready?
बोलो बोलो ऑन है.
हाँ?
लेन से पानी गया है यस.
पानी है.
हाँ. He's giving that धब्बा.
We head towards Coorg Cliff. So ये रास्ता जाता है towards Polybeta via सिद्धापुर. ऑन रोड कह लो या ऑफ रोड, मतलब थोड़ा सा मीडियोकर सा है. So it's a good road and it's through the villages. It flows by, मतलब कावेरी के आसपास होके जाता है. You know the Kaveri river is just like another kilometer that side, maybe on the east.
Work is going on. Still going on.
Work is going on. Work has to go on. Is the camera around me? No, it's not there. Backseaters, क्या हाल चाल? चलो, so we are entering the Coorg Cliff Resort. ये रहा उसका साइन बोर्ड. पूरा ऊपर की चढ़ाई. And I think this is the altitude climb, all surrounded by coffee plantations. And how much? 800 meter more. So we are close by. Just let me do a round of video of the resort. So as you can see, this is the Coorg Cliff. I probably can't go outside. The reason why I was not able to take the shoot of the resort because of the rains. But it's quite greenery है ना. यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा ये area. It's totally green all over just because of the plantation. So resort के अंदर काफ़ी सारे plantations है. So that's the area inside. It's the hall room where people have lunch and dinner. And yeah, काफ़ी beautiful सा है, like handcrafted chairs, bamboos. ऊपर gym area which is probably closed just now क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी at this stage because of the pandemic government orders are to close them. There's a small bird sanctuary over here, and the coolest part about this resort is they have a lot of plantation where they have named the plant. Like what tree is it? What plant is it? For example, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है ये कुछ it's a naral breed of tree. So quite evergreen with their resort makeover, and they have also kept in mind that they are very eco-friendly with everything. That's the parking area, and from there you go inside with a welcome to the main hall. So guys, we're taking you to the room right now. Where did my fellow mates go? I'll have to check once. So yeah, this is where we are going. This is the room. Okay, all of these are the cottages and the rooms. And we have a deluxe room booked over here for 3 people for 2 nights, and that's where we wanted to invest more on getting a more better room and a clearer view. So guys, ये room है. We packed सामान उनके bell boys खुद ही लेके आ गए इधर. और this is the master bed, correct? Yeah. ये हंका master bed है. AC is not operational because due to the government, unless the COVID pandemic is totally over, AC allowed नहीं है. So there's a couple of losses which we are going into. So we have actually paid 15,000 for 2 days. सामान वामान डाल दिया. I'll just brief you through what. There's an extra bed because 3 people are staying in this room, so extra bed भी दिया गया है. And we have mostly all the facilities which we want. There is a small dressing compartment over here. The washroom is there, which is completely clean and justifies the sanitization which has been done. ठीक है, जो ये लोग promise कर रहे थे कोई cliff वाले, which has been totally done. And moving forward, the reason why I have taken this room is because of this, which is the room balcony. So let me just open up the balcony. Yeah, it's a 2-seater, or you can say 3-seater balcony. It has ample amount of space, around 7-8 feet, and you have the valley view, the mountain view which I was looking for in Coorg. So अगर Coorg आते हो या किसी भी mountain पे जाते हो, if you're not staying in a view, it makes no sense to stay and invest. So that's the reason why I invested this much money over here, because I wanted to stay in a place where I can get valley view for 2 days. I wake up in this view every single day, and that is what we got today. और यहाँ अंदर we are having breakfast. Look at her, she's full packed. Look at her. She already started eating. फ्रूट से हरी लड़की यहाँ भी आ गई. हाय भगवान. And look at me as usual.
Big gigantic plate.
So हो क्या रहा है is we are on day 2. Yeah, we are on day 2. And हम कुर्ग में कहीं घूम नहीं पाए क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है. बट पार्टी रूम पे चलती है, एंड इट्स बीन 2 days जब पार्टी चल रही है. देखो कैसे फूड लेके बैठे, खाना खा रहे. यहाँ पता नहीं कुछ तो भी चल रहा है अंदर. क्या चल रहा है उसमें? क्या चल रहा है? मसावा. अच्छा, ओके. ये मसावा देख रहे हैं, मसाला खा रहे हैं, and people are really having fun. So it's a very cozy bed, no, by the way?
Yeah, it's very soft.
So if I say, दब जाता है पूरा.
You should tell them about the plantation
What?
view.
Which plantation view?
The one that we saw in the morning, and that they
Yeah.
that people shouldn't take plantation.
Correct. So plantation view is like you can say younger brother of trippers. ठीक है. हाँ. You know why she laugh? Because सच में plantation view is younger brother of trippers. मतलब वहाँ आपको घास फूस दिखा देंगे पीछे. एंड टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, Coorg Cliff इज़ अ वेरी गुड रिजॉर्ट. मैं घास फूस नहीं बोलूँगा, बट यार प्लांटेशन व्यू कौन लेता है मतलब.
Yeah.
So guys, when in Coorg, when in Coorg Cliffs, okay, तो आपको जो चीज़ करनी है वो है, you should always try this चिली चिकन. एक्चुअली यार फोकस कर रहा हूँ तो फोकस में ही पानी आ रहा है मुंह में, सो लेट्स नॉट फोकस ऑन दिस. ठीक है. तो हुआ यूँ कि हमें ये डिश कुछ ज़्यादा ही पसंद आया. नॉट हमें, दिस गर्ल एक्चुअली लाइक इट अ लॉट. ठीक है. व्हाई यू हाइडिंग योर फेस? तो इसको इतना पसंद आया कि आई थिंक दिस इज़ द 5th or 6th टाइम वी ऑर्डरिंग चिली चिकन. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि इस चीज़ का ही हमें वो मिल जाए कि जाते जाते हमारे लिए पैक करके दे दिया गाड़ी में कि सर आप रोड पे खा लेना बैठे बैठे. That's how good this was. So guys, it's lunch time right now. Couldn't go outside. ये स्विमिंग पूल वाले शॉट्स तो ले ही नहीं पाया मैं, but never mind. Like it's a very good view. So यहाँ बैठ के कर लेते यार चल.
This is the pool. Infinity pool है ये basically. It's closed because of the COVID thing. मैं वहाँ जा भी नहीं पा रहा हूँ, to take a snap of it or just the landscape behind because it's raining heavily. So यार मुझे कुछ दिखाना है सबको. So view, yeah, correct view. तो view कुछ ज़्यादा ही amazing सा हो जा रहा है. So I want to show you why Coorg is known for its monsoon weather specifically. तो यहाँ आना है तो monsoon में आना. Otherwise प्लीज़ मैं तो बोलूँगा कतई नहीं. It's a waste of money. So please be here during the monsoon season. बारिश के वक्त यहाँ पे आओ अगर आपको ये वेदर देखना है तो. And this is continuous, मतलब ये पूरे दिन हो रहा होगा. ठीक है, ये पूरे दिन होता है ये बारिश and ये दिन चलती रहती है. That gives me a very amazed feeling about the positivity in the air. The oxygen is very fresh. I just had lunch like around 10-20 minutes back and lunch was amazing. It was an a la carte. I actually feel कि यार मतलब यहाँ पे एक बार तो visit करना ही चाहिए. So what I'm going to do is my plan for tonight in the evening is यार bonfire चल रहा है. Roping and all activities are closed because of this pandemic. They are not entertaining any roping activities जहाँ पे लोग connections बना सकते हैं. So this resort is maintaining the sanitation to the extreme level. Even the air conditioner is not working, although not required. There is already an actual air condition, but just to maintain the situation over here, they are not using housekeeping. Also, people can't just coming in them randomly. You can't call anyone. किसी को भी आप नहीं बोल सकते हो कि आओ रूम पे ग्लास लेके ये लेके वो लेके नहीं आएंगे. फिलहाल बंद किया देगा ऐसा पूरे अकॉर्डिंग टू द गवर्नमेंट. बट या आई थिंक बॉनफायर है 7-8 बजे. विल गो टू द बॉनफायर इफ द वेदर सपोर्ट्स. देयर विल बी अ बॉनफायर. वो काफ़ी अमेजिंग सा होता है. There's a fountain view. I'll try to vlog it if it is available, if it's running. And also apart from that, there's activities like what is that? Plantation talk. Yeah, आप plantation पे जा सकते हैं walk करने के लिए. These are all the coffee plantations. So the naturalists from the resort itself will take you out. आपको दिखाएंगे plantation कैसा होता है. How do you pluck coffee buds and roast them? So everything is there. Keep up with me. I'll vlog all of them and share them. 7 to 10 is the bonfire timing and lights are quite awesome. I mean, mine's been running to the cafe. So it's dinner time right now in the Coorg Cliff. 8 to 10 is the dinner time. हम obviously थोड़ा late से खाएंगे. And here she comes. हो गया क्या काम ऑफिस का? हो गया? तो ये काम करके आ रही है अभी मैडम ऑफिस की. ये इन्होंने आज एंजॉय नहीं किया पूरा दिन. ही ऑफिस ही करते रही. How was the office today? It was good.
Yeah. Never ending long day.
And there's this madam. This madam is busy with Instagram. The guys from the Coorg Cliff who is watching this video, I'd really like to thank all of you guys for being so kind, and their hospitality is just amazing, guys. Like I haven't seen hospitality like this. Day 2 and day 3 is also completed. Let's talk about this place. This is known as Raintree. It's a vintage hut kind of a restaurant within a home. And ये हमें कहाँ मिला? LBB में.
LBB, Google and TripAdvisor.
So recommend to come here. The food is very good. It's because we wanted to have something local, like Coorg के यहाँ पे जो local cuisines हैं उनमें से कुछ खाना था हमें. So we found this place and rating भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. We came here, we just had our starters.
So this is appam.
Yes.
This is veg stew.
Veg stew.
Yeah, and this is a chicken
Coorg style curry.
Coorg style
something.
chicken curry. Yeah, correct. So these two are usually a combination and very popular combination in Kerala, which people love. I love, at least. And with this we'll also have jeera rice, which he's going to get. And yeah, so before this we had starters, which was ghee roast chicken,
Which is the speciality.
All of this is a speciality of this place.
Yes,
So we ordered all the speciality except for one, which is payasam. I think that's coconut payasam that we don't have in menu right now. But apart from that, we've got everything in speciality here.
Alright guys, so we had a very nice meal at the Rain Tree. I really recommend कि आप जाओ वहाँ पे and try the local cuisines. It's very good. Now we are in Madhikari main town, heading towards Stuart Hill for Raja's Seat, our last location. So यार हम enter कर रहे हैं Raja's Seat. So it's pretty much unplanned था because of the rains. It's raining too much here in Coorg, जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है. So yeah, so what happened is we started this morning. We thought कि मतलब अब इतनी दूर आए हैं ट्रैवल करके, सो लेट्स जस्ट गो ऑन एंड विजिट. सो एज यू कैन सी छाता लेके चलना पड़ रहा है मुझे, ठीक है. आई हैव टू एक्चुअली बाय दिस छाता फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. यहाँ पे छाता कंट्रोल करना इज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. ये उड़ जा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉग. इट्स कम्प्लीटली वाइट. यहाँ पे पूरा कोहरा मतलब छाया हुआ है यार. मतलब विजिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा लो है. ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर एज मच एज पॉसिबल. So Raja's Seat is basically known for its viewpoint, the famous Raja's viewpoint. So guys, we are at the viewpoint. So what we are trying to cover right now is कि Raja's Seat actually है क्या normal viewpoint, a park actually, and यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे stand मिल जाएंगे. This is where you enter from. It goes up above. So यार view ही इसका है, इसका main जो N2 है वो इसका view है. But currently कुर्ग में बिकॉज ऑफ द हैवी वेदर यू कैन सी इट्स ऑल क्लाउडी एवरीवेयर एंड कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. मैं आपको हमेशा से कह रहा था पूरे वीडियो में कि अगर आप वेदर फ्रेंडली हो, आपको ये वेदर पसंद है, ठंड पसंद है, देन दिस इज़ द बेस्ट सीज़न. अदरवाइज अगर घूमना है देन September वुड बी अ बैड सीजन बिकॉज इट्स रेनिंग हैवी. So I guess yeah, that's pretty much it with Coorg, me and the vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Also do subscribe my channel.